What's up YouTube, Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com and I'm here at Gresham Toyota right now, your Canadian Adventure, talking to you about the amazing car behind me. The future is now 2021 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Really not any changes over the 2020 model, but this is our very first 2021. These are built 100% in Japan, which is really cool. Also, what's cool is it's not really any different than a standard Corolla, except for better fuel economy. Still has a huge trunk, still has seats that fold down. I'm 6'2", and in this Corolla, plenty of room even in the back seat. Advanced keyless entry is standard. You get hybrid badging, the new J LED headlights, of course the blue Toyota emblem also letting you know that it's hybrid. All your power options. Advanced keyless entry with push button start. We have different drive modes down here, as well as EV or electric vehicle mode. It is automatic climate control. Of course, we have Bluetooth, but we also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Satellite radio is complimentary for 3 months on all new Toyotas right now. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 is going to include your lane departure warning system, lane trace assist, adaptive cruise control with full speed range, automatic high beams, pre-collision system, and more. Again, I'm Patrick over here at OregonCarSource.com. If you have any questions, check out the website. Take a look at our inventory. We just put up an inventory feed. All of our used cars. Big things are changing in the car business. First time since I've been in the business, since 04, we're probably going to sell out of new Toyotas because of the coronavirus, at least temporarily. So anyways, if you're in the market, if you're doing some research, let me know if there's anything I can do to help out. If you're looking for a specific video on a vehicle, I'd leave a comment or something. I'd be happy to provide. Have a great day.